Hi everyone! Samahan niyo po akong pasyalin dito sa Alcalet Al-Bahrain Site Museum. Tara guys, punta tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Ito po yung Bahrain Fort. You can see, oh, sobrang lawak yung Bahrain Fort. Capital of Dilmun was decided as a UNESCO World Heritage since 2005 pala. It's a cultural and natural landmark, has been recognized by the United Nations Educations, UNESCO. Site Museum, then Coastal Palm Grove Coastal. 5 pala. Observation and restoration of Al-Bahrain, accordingly by Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities. It's open. Open guys, oh. Come. Tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa loob ng Bahrain Fort. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Please, your own safety, please do not walk on the walls of the fort. Huwag daw tayong dumaan sa walls na. Very nice. So, check. Check with this one. Guys, this is the control room. Ayan, oh. Control room. The Islamic period city 6. From 1250 to 1750 and 1750 to 1250. This one is the Tylus period city 5. 300 BC to 400 AD. The other one is the Middle Dilmun period city 3. 1500 to 1100 BC. The primitive city 1. 2200 to 2050 BC. The early Dilmun period, from 2250 to 1750 BC. This one, the inscription of Al-Bahrain in 2005 on the UNESCO World Heritage List has concentrated the importance of one of the main archaeophytic geological site on the Arabian Peninsula. Sa ngayon, okay. Maraming tao dito. Mamaya, magsidatingan sila. Tara, pasok lahat tayo dito. This is their traditional house before. Sinaunang bahay ng mga taga-Bahrain. See?
Bahrain Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site built over millennia, with a continuous human occupation from 2300 BC until the 18th century. It served as the capital of the Asian Delmon civilization, a key trading hub for connecting Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley. The fort itself was constructed by the Portuguese in 16th century, atop a layered artificial mound containing ruins from earlier occupants like the Kassites, Greeks, and Persians. Entry to the fort is free, and there is a free parking available, making it accessible for visitors. The fort offers beautiful sea views, particularly at sunset, and is located of the Asian Delmore Harbor. The site is generally considered well-kept and clean, providing a pleasant environment for exploration. The fort is also recommended for evening visit when it is lit up, creating a nice atmosphere for a stroll.
Let's go inside, mga guys. Ano ba yung kikita sa loob ng kuweba? Kuweba Cave. Ang galing niya kasi piniserve nila ng ganito. We're going to another side of the... Ang dilim. Madrasah, madrasah. Madrasah form an integral part of traditional and domestic craft in Arabian Gulf and was still under recently used to produce date molasses. Molasses is a traditional sweetener in Bahrain. Dito pala sila nag-imbak ng mga date molasses before. Then ginagawa nilang sweet. Parallel channels were cut into a floor of square and rectangular room and were usually lined with a smooth coating. Dates were filled up in the bags or chipped directly on the floor so that their juice could be squeezed out by combined effects of the heat and the pressure of the ripe fruits. Dito pala yung section na ginagawa nila yung mga dates na sweet before. Now, we know. Before until here, we stay here until here. Ang ganda na yung sunset, oh. Mahal. The sunset. Pagod na ako. Ha?
Allow at least an hour to explore the fort and consider checking the schedule for evening light and sound shows or another cultural activity. Thanks for watching, guys. Please follow me for more videos regarding Bahrain. See you on my next journey.